What if I told you that AI-generated cat videos are breaking monetization records? Let's explore how creative prompting turns adorable felines into your next income stream. Cat content dominates YouTube, it's psychology. Combine that with art generation, and you've got unlimited, unique content. Tools like Midjourney and Runway create stunning cat animations in minutes. No filming, no equipment needed. The algorithm loves fresh, consistent uploads. Cats trigger emotional engagement, driving watch time and monetization potential dramatically. Specificity wins. Instead of cat video, try ultra 8-head Persian cat, cinematic lighting, sunset garden, 4K animation, playful energy, professional color grading, layered details, breed mood setting, lighting, art style. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. The better your prompt engineering, the higher your engagement metrics grow. Monetize through multiple streams, AdSense revenue from views, affiliate links to iTools, Patreon for behind-the-scenes prompts, sponsorships from pet brands. Consistency is key. Upload weekly. Optimize thumbnails with high-contrast cat imagery. Use pattern interrupts every 10 seconds to maintain retention. Analytics show cat videos maintain 65% average view duration when production quality is professional. Start today. Choose your RO platform, Midjourney, Runway, or Adobe Firefly. Invest 30 minutes crafting detailed prompts. Generate 3 cat video concepts. Upload to YouTube with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. Monitor performance, iterate based on metrics, scale what works. Within 3 months of consistent uploads, within 3 months of consistent ready to create a cat gold? Subscribe, like this video, and comment your favorite cat breed below. Let's build this together.